self-storage, there's only one metric that actually matters, and that's rentals. Are you getting rentals on your website? If you get 5 visitors and all 5 of them rent a unit in a month, fantastic. 10 times rather have that than 4,000 visitors and 3 rentals, right? And none of organic ranking, visitors, all that stuff, those are all vanity metrics. The ones that actually matter are just rentals. And now, if you're not getting any rentals on your website, that could be an SEO problem, or it could be other types of problems. But your SEO is always in service of getting more people to rent from your facility.
I love that so much.
So perfect.
I'm going to share a real live example here. So one of our dear clients, Gabfocus alumni, so we wrote some content for him. This was probably 2021, maybe 2022, and he started he got a massive spike in traffic, and we're like, why? And so we investigated, and he was ranking for this term, free rental truck, right? No big deal. And so like if you measured success of SEO by ranking well and getting a ton of traffic, he won, right? Because here he is. It's Nick Newcomb at Storage Max. He is often 1, 2, or 3 for this generic national search term, right? That doesn't do anything. And so what we discovered was, while he got a ton of traffic to this page from this term, he got no rentals from it. Well, it just makes sense because his facilities aren't where I am. This is not a term that really matters. We just, because of the different things that we did to make his website optimize, he started ranking for a really cool term that doesn't really do anything, right? And so, David, I love that you went straight to it. The ultimate measure is, are you getting rentals, right? And so we could have sent Nick Newcomb a little report that said, yo, Nick, we 5x your web traffic and you're top 5 in all of these fancy terms. We don't, because none of that actually matters. And so it's sneaky, right? And so no, I'm not saying that companies who send you those reports are being sneaky. It's just if you're looking at vanity metrics only, it feels like you're winning when you maybe not winning. And I think David, that's probably the ultimate point that you're trying to make.